Hey everybody, it's Taylor with the Vacationeer, and today we're heading to Disneyland Park in Paris to experience the craziness of Indiana Jones and the Temple of Peril. Let me tell you right out of the gate, this is a wild, wild ride, very different from the other Indiana Jones rides, parks in the US. But I'm gonna let the ride speak for itself, so sit back, hold on tight, and enjoy the POV. Thank you so much for riding along with us. If you're ready to experience this craziness, I mean magic, in person, be sure to reach out to your Vacationeer advisor or click the booking link right down below. And if you love this look at the rides, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with all your Disney friends.